And hello, ladies and gentlemen. How is everyone doing today? Thank you for tuning into this video. Today, since I have some time, I'm going to be troubleshooting on this Toyota Highlander. What I'm having a problem with is the low tire pressure indicator light keeps coming on. After a few days, it'll come on. Apparently, I probably have a nail in it. So what we're going to do is troubleshoot, find out what's wrong with this tire. We're going to pull it off the car, inspect for any damage, holes, nail, what kind of slow leak, and see how we can fix this so this tire indication light no longer comes on. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. And here we have the Toyota Highlander. I mentioned this is a 2021 Highlander. One of these tires has a low pressure indicator light that keeps coming on. So we're going to go ahead and try to troubleshoot, find out what is wrong with the tire. The tire that keeps going bad is the rear passenger tire that is found here. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and jack up the vehicle, pull the wheel off, try to inspect it, find out if there's a leak, if there's some kind of damage that I can't really see. You can do this on the car, but I'm going to pull the wheel off so I can inspect it properly. And we're going to go ahead and jack up the car, pull off the wheel, and see what is wrong with this tire, why it keeps losing air. So let's go ahead, jack up the car, and find out what is going on. So with the factory jack that's provided by Toyota, went ahead and jacked up the back of the vehicle, passenger lower rear. Go ahead, have it under the suspension arm there, and it is just enough off the floor to clear. So we're going to go ahead and remove the wheel and inspect the wheel, find out what's going on here. Now, I don't know if I've ever showed this, which I probably have. These are Milwaukee nylon coated. These are Milwaukee nylon coated sockets. It's made to protect wheels with fancy finishes like this. A normal socket will go in it and scratch the finish on these wheels. I've already had these four wheels powder coated before because of using regular sockets. So I went ahead and picked up these nylon coated sockets, and they do protect the finish of the wheels. You don't have a set of these, they don't have to be Milwaukee, but nylon coatings on these sockets will protect the wheel when you are removing them. So I highly recommend picking up a pair, or highly recommend picking up a set. It's worth the money. Wheels off. So we're going to go ahead and inspect, see what is wrong with this tire, where there's a hole, and if we can fix it. So here we have the tire off, and really quick, already taking the tire off to inspect this, I've already found what looks to be a small nail right there. So we're gonna put a little bit of soapy water, and as you see, bubbles coming up. I'm going to spray the rest of the tire just to be on the safe side, but seeing how small this nail is, that looks like it's our problem. So I'll do the whole tire, but it does look like that's the cause of our slow leak right there. Go ahead and pull that out. Right here. Looks like a nail, and it broke off the tip of the nail head. go over the tire, pull it off. We're going to put a plug in it and go ahead and fix this slowly, get this tire back on. Okay, so here's it. Here's where we have our nail. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Actually, before I pull it out, I'm going to prepare the tire plugs with rubber cement and our tools to install it. Go ahead and get this ready. Place this in here. Place this rubber piece inside the tool. Since this nail is so small, I'll probably have to go into it with the other tool to widen out the hole to make this fit. Before we put this on, go ahead and put some rubber cement on this. Slime this up something nice. Pull out our nail. It's in there. Woo! That's a big one. Wow, you can hear it too. I'm going to widen out the hole because I don't think that... Now, I thought I caught this on camera, but the camera shut off. Here's the plug inside the hole. Some of it is sticking out. I'm going to check, make sure that it's not leaking. A little bit of the old soapy water. It doesn't seem to be leaking. So what I do is I'm going to get a razor blade, cut the excess off just so it's off. And it looks like that should have taken care of our slow leak. So go ahead, I'm going to cut this excess off so it's off the tire and reinstall the tire and we should be good. So get a razor blade, cut off the excess so it doesn't stick up like that. But this is really simple. If you've never done this before, if you have to do it once or twice, a couple times, that's fine. If not, I think if you go to a tire shop, they'll charge you 20 bucks for this. But it's something to do on your own. Go ahead and test yourself, see if you can do it. It's kind of simple, so let's go ahead and cut this off and get the tire back on the car. I don't know if you can see this. This is the nail that was pulled out of the tire. So you have an idea how big it is. It was in there. Very thin nail, but still a nail, and it caused a slow leak. So lucky that's over and tire's gonna go back on. Now the tire has been reinstalled. Go ahead and lower it off the jack. Go ahead and torque it to its torque spec for the tire. And I'll put that on the screen, let you know how much it is. But that should do it. That's how you troubleshoot a nail in your tire that gives a low pressure tire sensor on your dash. So thanks for tuning into the video. See you on the next one.